Hi guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I have two very special guests on the channel with me. Come. Hey! We have the Sorry Girls here. Today we are going to be filming a thrift collab, a thrift challenge.
So much thrifting.
5 minutes in the thrift store. What do you guys think? Can you do it?
That seems like stressful. I enjoy 5 hours at a thrift store, so.
We're gonna try to do a whole outfit. So I'm talking like you gotta do like a top and a bottom. And then what about like bonus points for accessories?
I'm working out 5 minutes. This is like a minute per thing.
Yeah.
It's just gotta be a cute outfit.
Yeah, but you can do like
decides.
What do you think?
The comments.
Vote for Kelsey.
Wow. Oh baby, I'm excited.
It's
exciting. Make sure you subscribe to Tasha before we jump into this if you're from our channel.
If you are from my channel, I mean these lovely ladies, you know, you love, we love. Subscribe to them, and we filmed a video over on their channel, something really cool. A little bit more of like antiquing, so if you like that kind of thing.
I never. So yes, it's so exciting.
We're so excited to go.
I guess let's go pick an outfit.
Let's do it. Okay, so basically my strategy is I'm gonna try to get a dress first. If I have time, then I'm going to get a sweater to like throw over it with a cute belt, because pants I feel like hit and miss, it's so hard.
So my idea is to maybe go look at a dress, because then I only have to pick one item and I'll have lots of time to put together a fun accessory or something to complete the outfit. My strategy is to not go for anything that's too fitted, because I'm worried like I could get the size wrong or it just won't look right. So I think oversized, where I know it's gonna fit, is better. So I might start in like dresses or skirts and just find something big, and then I think aim for a graphic tee to throw over it.
5 minutes on the clock, we got that going. Are you ready?
No, but.
Okay, are you ready?
3, 2,
1.
go.
Shit, that was before the one.
I'm here.
God, she's going fast. We said no run. That's my idea. Did we all have the same idea?
Oh.
Wait, did we?
I feel like I'm already going so much slower than Tasha.
We have a theme going on, do we not? Ooh, right to the Becky color. That was just sticking out waiting for you.
I feel like, Tasha, you've made your life easy though by just like going for certain colors. It cuts out a lot of looking.
Everything's ugly.
Wait, what size is this? This isn't even my size. Oh, I'm stressing.
You got this. It might not work. I'm going here because I think maybe it might not work out with the dresses, but this is sick. Okay, 1 minute in, and we only have one thing in our hands.
This is cool.
It's your 1 minute in.
Okay.
I'm just loving that we all went to dresses. Did she hold these or no?
Nope.
Hair's so cool.
I love the slow run, it's great. Oh, we're going somewhere different in this one. Where are you going? Men's t-shirts.
Where's men's t-shirts?
She's got something good in her hands, doesn't she?
I mean, that mustard thing is cool.
Are we branching out or not?
No, we're not branching out. Not today, there's no time.
There's no time.
This could be tricky though, because there's so many.
Are you guys doing the challenge?
We are.
Where are we going next? We're currently in kids. I'm not sure how this is helping you.
She's got one t-shirt. She's got a big color combo going on.
What outfit are you going for?
Well, a layered look.
Almost 3 minutes left.
Okay.
How are you feeling?
I'm feeling okay.
How are you really feeling?
I'm out of breath.
These are all Cardis. I don't want Cardi.
Cardi B?
No. I just find my size. This is always the problem.
What's she on time?
2 minutes and 30 seconds. Your belt. This one's cool. I dropped that on the floor, but we'll come back.
I got it.
2 minutes left, babe.
Is that a lot or not a lot?
That's not a lot.
Okay. We're gonna make one of these t-shirts work.
Okay.
I am worried that we're doing a similar theme here.
Okay, she's got her accessory. Shoes. Oh, she's going for double accessory.
How do I know if they're my size? She got extra time. You still have to narrow down your options. 1 minute left. Whatever's stuck in your hand at the end, you buy them, baby. The rule is, if whatever she has left in her hands, either has to be her outfit or we get to decide what the outfit is. So you better narrow those down.
6, 5, 4. These are the no's, these are the yeses.
This is my outfit.
That's your outfit? Okay. Done. Good job, guys.
I didn't want to grab anything and it'd be a risk, you know? Girl, we did that.
We did that.
I'm a hot mess. Now I need to shop like this more often because I feel like I get shit
Done.
Right? Like,
Yeah.
and I feel like we all have like really great outfits.
Yeah.
But we'll see.
I have no idea. Like, I have no idea.
Making a scene in the store. We had cheerleaders.
We had cheerleaders. We had people like asking us what we're doing.
And I was like, I can't talk to you. I gotta find a shirt.
Okay, we are back at home now, and we want to show you the outfits that we all chose. I'm gonna let you guys start. We want to know what you guys think. Who do you think did the best?
Yeah, you guys vote in the comments.
It's up to you guys.
Nailed this challenge.
Yeah.
I'm not ready for that.
I think you did good. Come on. Where's the self-confidence?
I can't even remember what anyone got. Like, I feel like I blanked out that stressful moment already in my brain.
Okay, rock, paper, scissors. Who's going first? Okay. Okay. If
You
you
go
win,
first.
who goes first? You win, so you pick. Do you want to go first?
I'll go first.
Okay.
First up, so you guys saw me shop, but I ended up getting this sweater here. Classic cable knit sweater. She's $12.99, a little on the spency side, but we didn't even have time to consider pricing.
Yeah, I didn't have time to look at the
Nothing.
brand, the price, barely even the size.
This is a very outfit piece. I'm hoping it looks good. I've definitely tried on things like this before, like the big, baggy, I'm not really doing this justice.
I think this is amazing.
Yeah, I think you
This
and I were
sounds-
excited
we were like-
about watching you pick it, and then you were like, is it ugly? And we're like, not gonna say anything.
No, we loved it.
Yeah, we'll see. I feel like it's a very like cute summery thing. I was hoping for like a cooler sweater, like a mock neck or
was
something,
hard.
but it was hard. And then like literally grabbed my accessory at the last minute. I think this navy definitely, or like turquoise.
It's like teal.
The teal does look good with the mustard, and the gold is like the same mustard color.
Honestly, I think baby like 90s bags that go like under your
Yeah.
arm or in, right?
Yeah, I think so. And
This
so
is
we had
nice.
to do an accessory.
Yeah.
That was our thing. Everyone had to do an accessory.
So that's why I had to grab it, otherwise I would have failed and lost the challenge. $9, and this was $13.50. Yeah, they kind of, those are expensive.
I know, right?
So overall, I feel like the color scheme is there. The pants, like, I'm sure some people are gonna love them, some people are gonna hate them, but I'm really interested to see how I can style this maybe in the summertime or with a different type of sweater or shirt underneath, because the cable knit is just a lot. And I think if I make this one pose, it actually looks really cute.
All right, let's haul this guy next. My goal going into this, I told them, like, you know, to
Yeah,
the
we didn't even
camera
know.
what I was gonna do, and I was like, okay, my plan is to go for like a dress that's maybe bigger because I don't want to mess with the wrong size, and then put like a cute graphic tee over it because that will save it. So I think I did that. The fit, maybe, we'll see. The first thing I got was this dress, which I honestly got it just because of the color.
It's really pretty.
I love it.
I love like a rust orange brown, like this is really nice.
Please wear that.
And like the band in it is like stretched, so it,
Forgiving.
it's very forgiving.
That is your Thanksgiving outfit.
Honestly, yes. And this was $12.49.
The thrift store is getting pricey. Can I just say that?
Still cheaper than buying new, y'all.
It
It's
is.
George, isn't that Walmart?
That is
Yeah.
Walmart.
That's literally
Oh.
$13 for Walmart used items. I'm not so sure. Okay, then I went to the men's tee section, which I couldn't even find. So this is that shirt I ended up getting, and it's like a Santa on an island.
I don't hate it.
It says happy. I don't hate it either. I love it. It's a great color. The like graphic is so funny on it. The
Yeah.
only thing is that it's huge. I'm a huge fan for oversized. I don't mind things that are big, but I'm kind of swimming in this because of the accessory rule. I found this belt, which like brown and gold, I feel like you can't go wrong. It says it's Ralph Lauren or Ralph Lauren.
Oh.
I don't know, guys. I was stressed. 5 minutes, people.
Maybe it's fake. Well, Ralph.
I don't know. But then I found these shoes, and these are great.
Oh yeah, those are sick.
So cool.
They're like a mustard suede plus platform, which we love platform, and they're my size somehow. $6.
And you're the only one that got shoes, so.
I know.
That's true.
Extra points.
It's true. They look new. Like look how clean the bottom is.
They
Don't even look
are
like-
new.
Yeah.
Unused, baby. Let me show you how this looks together. So like I said, if I knot the tee up, I think it really helps. The only thing is because that dress had like a collar on it, it's a little bulky underneath. So there's that. But you know what? I think it works. We threw the belt on, the shoes on, and yeah, I think it's a look. A 5-minute look.
Okay, so my thing was I really wanted to get a dress and then do like a nice like big oversized sweater on top of it, and then if that didn't work out, well, at least I had the dress.
Oh yeah,
Smart,
good
smart.
call.
I went through the dresses and I didn't find anything I loved, but I did go through the skirts, and I'm really into velvet right now. I'm really into animal print right now. Animal print with something basic with it. I love it. So this is a velvet like maxi skirt, which I think is pretty sick.
You did good.
Love this.
It's
and
like
then
tiger. Is it tiger
Is it
or is
tiger?
it orange zebra?
Tiger.
tiger.
Whoa.
Orange zebra.
Doesn't this look like intense for a tiger? I don't know.
It's pretty tight for a tiger, you know? It's
Yeah.
a tight tiger.
Okay, so then on top I was like, okay, let's do like kind of like a chunky knit. I got this one. By the way, how much? This was $4.99.
Oh, like, okay, we had the overpriced items.
No, well, the sweater was $8.99. So $8.99 for the sweater. I loved it because it's kind of like that chunky sort of like see-through. The only thing is this is like the longest sweater of life. And if I had time and I could like cut it or hem it, that would be great. But I thought this would even like, just wearing this on its own, like as a dress with some leggings or something. My accessory, I got this like wonderful little bag. I love this.
This is cute. I like the beads too.
$8.99, kind of pricey, but I thought this would work really well with the outfit. And then
You have time for all this.
I know, like, and you had extra time too at the
I
end.
did. I don't know. I lucked out, but I don't know what this is. They kind of look like paper clips, but I was like, a gold belt would be cute.
That's like, yeah. Oh, and they have little tigers or lions on them.
Ew.
It's a theme. You are
I
the
had a
wildcat queen.
And then, oh.
This was great. Okay.
I was so excited. I was like, yes! Sabotage!
I forgot I was holding this.
Safari Queen!
Oh, we have a theme!
You have a theme!
We legit have a theme.
You can't unhear it.
So anyways, I had to buy this. I feel like I can save it by sort of wearing it like
That's what I
this.
thought. Yeah. That's what I thought.
Wow.
Yeah,
That's cute.
and that's how we could save it. So I don't know. Let's see how it all comes together. Okay, so love the skirt. I think the skirt is absolutely amazing. Like I said, yes, the sweater is a bit big, but that's okay. If I had more time, I definitely would have gotten a smaller sweater. But it still works. The belt's really great. Kind of adds a little bit of like spice to it. The purse, obviously great. And the hat, I mean, this is all I could do, whatever.
Creativity points, right?
Yeah, I'm ready to go on my safari. Okay, you guys, so please comment down below. I would love to know what you think about all of the outfits. What was your favorite?
You're just like giving like cute points to yourself.
You are.
Vote for me, please.
Vote for me. Thank you guys so much for spending the day with me. I had so much fun.
Yeah, this is really fun. If you want to see us go to like the world's biggest vintage thrift market.
We're like self-proclaiming that.
You know what? Well, it was huge. So I took them, you guys. We had 3 hour like antique trip. Go check out 4 hour.
Yeah.
From 11 till 3.
Go check that out. It's on their channel, and it was a time. I will link that down below.
Thanks for having us.
Yes, so fun.
So fun. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.